Does a wheezy infant mean they're going to have asthma later on? Most of the time, all the time, maybe some of the time?
Yeah, so most infants will cough and wheeze when they get sick with a cold. 60% will outgrow by the time they turn 6 years of age. 40% will continue to go on and wheeze. Of those 40%, 20 will go on to have asthma. The other 20, their wheezing will go away as they get older.
So if somebody's having wheezing from RSV virus up through 6 months, then they're going to maybe continue to 6 years of age.
Correct.
How do you treat that child? Do they have to be treated every day? Are they having wheezing every day, or just when they get another cold?
Yeah, so if it depends on the frequency and the severity of their symptoms. So that's one of the things we have to do is assess what we call impairment. How impactful is their symptoms to their activity, to their sleep? Are they having to go see their doctor a lot? Are they having to go to the emergency room? Are they requiring steroids by mouth to control their symptoms? So depending on the severity of their symptoms, we have to determine how to treat them.